Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about something that could potentially change the way you approach weight loss and energy. Mitolyn, a dietary supplement that's been getting a lot of attention lately. If you're looking for a natural solution to help with metabolism and energy levels, stick around. So what is Mitolyn? It's a weight loss supplement that targets something very interesting: your mitochondria. If you're like me and didn't know much about mitochondria before, here's the deal. They're tiny powerhouses in your cells that are responsible for burning fat and providing energy. According to Mitolyn, boosting these little guys can help you burn more fat, get more energy, and lose those stubborn pounds. Now let's talk about what makes Mitolyn stand out: its ingredients. It's packed with a unique blend of 6 natural plant-based ingredients, including maqui berry, rhodiola, amla, and theobroma cacao, all known for their health benefits. The best part? It's non-GMO, soy-free, and dairy-free, so it's a great choice if you're looking for something plant-based and natural. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some real people who've tried it. Peggy lost 35 pounds and feels more confident than ever. Russell shed 29 pounds and says he feels more energetic. Connie lost 40 pounds and can finally keep up with her kids. These success stories are super inspiring, and while it's important to remember every journey is different, they really showcase how Mitolyn can help kickstart your weight loss journey. So what can you expect from Mitolyn? Well, besides promoting healthy fat loss, it's designed to give you more energy and improve overall body tone. Imagine feeling like you have the energy to tackle your day without the mid-afternoon slump. And the best part? It's a simple 1 capsule a day supplement, which means it's easy to fit into your routine. Another thing that I really love about Mitolyn is their 90-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free. If it doesn't work for you, you can return it and get a full refund. No questions asked. Overall, Mitolyn is definitely worth considering if you're looking for a natural way to boost your metabolism, burn fat, and feel more energized. With its natural ingredients, great user feedback, and risk-free trial, it might just be the solution you've been waiting for. If you've tried Mitolyn or any other supplements for weight loss, I'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. Let me know if you've had any success or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more reviews and tips on living a healthier, more energetic life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.